The Momento story begins in Sweden in 1951 with one clear objective: to manufacture impact sockets and accessories. And we have continued as we begun. The entire process takes now place under one roof. From raw material to user-ready products. We produce one of the widest ranges of machine-operated sockets and accessories in the world. We also manufacture custom-made tools to meet special requirements from customers all over the world. Our heat treatment department opened in 1989 to guarantee full quality control of every step of the production of our products. Heat treatment is a variety of methods designed to give each product the right breaking strength, fatigue strength, and wearing qualities. Until today, black oxide has been the most common coating used on impact sockets. Hexagonal chromium is allergenic, carcinogenic, and besides, it's also very harmful to the environment. We care about the environment. We do not want to contribute to environmental degradation for our forests, our lakes and the sea, the animals that live here, ourselves, and the next generation. With the environment and sustainability as a basis, we invented Momento Silver Line, our unique coating without any heavy metals. Momento Silver Line has been developed with the aim to protect the environment, but also to help our clients to respond to new environmental targets. The working environment for the operator will also be better. No heavy metals in the surface treatment lead to healthier handling of the tools. The bright color also makes it easier for the operator to see the rotation of the tool, which provides safer handling. Besides all this, what makes an impact socket excellent? Experience, engineering capabilities, geometric design, manufacturing method, material, hardening method, testing facilities, surface treatment, and process control. We have almost 70 years of experience, and we also have control over the entire manufacturing process. Together we can make the world of our products a healthier place for us and for the earth. What do you choose?